everyone, it's your girl Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, and I'm bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury, but we're going to focus on the lashes for today's tutorial. Today is all about mascara wardrobing. Okay, so I know what you're going to ask me. What is that? I'm going to show you and tell you. So for today's tutorial, like I said, we're going to be talking about mascara wardrobing, and basically what that is layering your mascara. You might use 2 different ones, 3 different ones. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm actually going to use 6 different ones. I'm going to use 3 different ones on one eye, and then I'm going to use another 3 on another eye, and just show you how you can do it. Basically, this is for people who, for whatever reason, either don't like to wear false eyelashes or can't wear false eyelashes, but want that voluminous look to your mascara and to your lashes, but don't want to buy or wear false eyelashes. So I'm going to show you how you can do it with just mascara. The first thing I'm going to do, and what I ask for you guys to do, is to coat your lashes. Now, what I mean by that is you want to get a primer to prime your lashes. What I like to use is by L'Oreal. It's the Voluminous Primer. Basically what this does is it coats your lashes and gets them ready for mascara. I've already done it, but I just want to show you what it looks like. It's a white primer. This is one of the inexpensive ones. I do also use one by Lancome, which is really good. It's the Seals Booster. I'll put a link to that in the description section below for you guys. Of that, it's the Lancome Seals Booster, which is really good. It's about $23 to $28. I'll put the exact amount of it down in the description box below. But again, what that does is it gets your lashes ready so that you will put the mascara on top of that. It also helps you to grow your lashes. A lot of these primers now have ingredients in it that will help you coat and grow your lashes as well. So take a look at the ones I said below, the L'Oreal and the Lancome. Alright, so to get started, I'm going to first start off by, I'm going to use all Luxe brands on this eye, on the right eye, and then on the left eye, I'm going to use all of the inexpensive ones. And so that I keep it all relative, I'm only using the trial sizes of each. So for this eye, I'm going to start off with the Marc Jacobs. This is their Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. Has a beautiful eyeglass shape. What you want to do for your mascaras is when you first pull it out of the tube, you want to tap off all of the excess so that it does not clump and really mess up your lashes. You want a nice even coat. You're going to start at the root of your lashes and wiggle all the way up to the top. So again, starting at the root, and then you're going to wiggle slightly all the way up to the top. You want to do the same for the bottom lashes. And I do it in about 3 different sections so that I'm assured that I'm coating each and every lash. So that was Marc Jacobs. That's the first one. We're going to move over to the left eye, and for the left eye, I'm going to start off with the Eyeko Black Magic, and this is also a noir, a black mascara. This one is an angled brush. So again, starting at the root, you want to wiggle it all the way up to the top. Same with the bottom lashes. And again, before you start, you're going to tap off all the excess. So that was the first coat for both eyes. Now we're going to move on to the second coat. The second coat I'm going to use on the Luxe eye on the right, the Dior. This is the Christian Dior, and this is in the color Pro Black. Interesting. Professional Black. So again, you want to make sure you tap off all of the excess. You don't want clumpy lashes. And just go through. Put those in. You also, for the purposes of layering and wardrobing your lashes, you want to make sure that the lash is still wet while you're applying the other lash. You don't want them to dry down too much, because then again it will get clumpy and sticky, and you don't want that. Nobody likes spider lashes. Moving on to the left side, this is Ciate Wonderland. This is the bristle for that. So that's the second one. And then lastly, we're going to use Bobbi Brown on this eye. This is her Smokey Eye Mascara. This is the bristle brush for that. You can also go inside of the lash and curl upwards if you need that extra curl. My lashes are already quite curly. I don't have to curl my lashes at all, but they're not long, so, or at least they're not as long as I would like. So I use mascara mostly for lengthening my lashes and separating them. So that's that side. And then for the left side, I'm using Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. And that's the brush for that. And then when you're doing your bottom lashes, keep your chin close down to your chest. This way you can see each lash as they're being coated. And again, working in sections does help with that control as well. And there you have it. That is how you mascara wardrobe or mascara layer your lashes so that your lashes look just like you've applied some natural strip lashes or natural individual lashes. Again, try this at home. You can try with 2 mascaras if you have 2 different ones at home. Try 2 different brush heads. As you noticed, all 6 of them had different bristles, so it allows each coat to do different things. So that's another thing that you want to do with wardrobe layering as well, or mascara layering, excuse me, as well. You want to have different bristles so that each coat that you use on your lashes gives you a different effect. All right, if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below. Don't forget to thumbs up and like this video. Tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And until next time, subscribe so you can also join our family. And don't forget to also share if you can as well. So until next time, this is Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, giving you lips, lashes, and luxury. Until next time.